Budget yangu ilikuanga 450,000 exactly. Yeah. Yeah.
And ni besi yanabwarisire
Honestly, na tutiritate
expenses.
We raised.
Cherulo day.
Yeah.
Kwa karikire ate.
First of all, I thank God ntubwa ntuku it was expected to be big, na indeed it was big. Gocokere Murungu nkatho ntunya kutaurire na ikwari fiti kabisa, na inye ngocokeria nkatho my fans because walikuja in full oraba stu mtandaone baire toyoria kiwanja na mantu yeta fiti na we nurantaririe mantu ya maingi lakini a lot happened that day. Yeah.
Kwanza kabisa mbona ulinyamaza tu kuona posti TikTok videos ntora ndonere ni reposting yemwe yo ndonere obwethia and maybe mafansi bakuri aja twejire ku support Cherulo na tutona inyawe twira thank you for coming mantu ya yau why.
Okay, boninda were thank you na were post thank you for coming. I did a post yena ntiona nyasanto na heshimiwa baraba ire actually bere heshimiwa baba badatu. We have Kangwana, the MCA of Maua municipality, thank you so much. Na mzalendo Mebeka mzalendo mwenye anavai kiti ya MP Igembe South nyang'ana ire na naire Ivili ora kwa senator wetu, so na budre post na bibira to metenkira mostly December nirari na event nyingi. I was so busy nyatha inyambolelia metho yoye na Toronto mama in the last like 3 to 4 days on tubo event ira twethete nacio December, so ni I decided ankira kire tuthire my event ya December leo January twambirire na updates, but bibi atumire nkira probably nya manto ya refiti although ikwenda fiti sana. The money that I expected to raise that day haikufika target.
Before tuweta kwa money besi ya now expected ku raise antukwe Cherulo day.
Budget yangu ilikuanga 450,000 exactly. Yeah.
And ni besi yanabwarisire
honestly na tutiritate
expenses.
We raised 50,000.
So wewe ta loss ya ngiri maana yana
expectations yako shari 450,000 and I got 50,000. Those are the expenses, but in all I thank God. Yeah.
And ni bibi atoba byakarikire maybe utakwenda twere lakini nokanga kunjonjo twere ni bibi akarikire nontu a lighting star kuo anto batejire anto batari trembesa strategy tare bo ya batiokara kana Cherulo ni bibi akarikire
what exactly happened anto ibaire na strategy to area sio we had to area to nyumo to andiki Cherulo day then as 100 bob akinya to area na yukuri andika wa price anyenda area my friends ban support them no.
Yeah.
But event uraya arin to bangite event yamberia tu so event ya area amberia 2 but event yongo yamberede 3:30. So you can see that confusion.
Yeah.
Alafu ndo watu kanto nabo oraba batyo meke event anto iboba pusha au tambia mtu ate yae nambia tu hivi dareza kwa iboba pusha waka tambesa, so that what happened lakini anto ibarikere biba and abaire ta kurita uninto complain and I don't blame anybody bonko and akiko make sure. I want to tell you people, it doesn't matter mbesi sionekane desa kasi area kuonekana, but lazima nifungue studio yangu come 2026. That's one thing I'm going to assure you. Menya actually nya onto nya renkiri nonko na ko yanto bakwari mnoke social media bange bakarumana bakawambese ndarire byonko bange bakawanga ntari tanduimbo ruwa. Hata kuna mwingine niliona akiwa amesema mimi niko na ujinga najifanya eti naenda mashow anga sina ngoma za kutosha sijui na perform nini. Lakini the fact is hii December imekuwa busy oni ntabangite kudita wimbo rock Christmas because I'm not seasonal like unti and time no kudita wimbo rock expire na one day. Yeah, Christmas is just one day. 20 5th of December. So that was not my plan. So ndawambe tere January ikinye. Actually we have a lot of projects with some artists. Ila toko gwethia chini ya waba na siaturira this January. Enyande na my singles. So ntasirita because of ndaiterete festive season edira yana ditandwimbo kwa January. So it doesn't matter what event kwa yaitere, but I thank everybody. Antu bashuri love online na undene. Everything was amazing and I thank God.